can soap be sweating? See this right? It's sweating. Okay, have you see that? Okay. I let it dry outdoor, and it's rain overnight, and the soap is has moisture, because they have a moisture in it. So what people think is sweating, but actually it is the actual benefit of homemade soap. Okay, so the byproduct of the saponification process is glycerin. Now, glycerin is a humectant. Okay, it's actually attract water. Okay, so if you leave your soap outdoor like this and bare like this, it will attract water. So, what we a phenomenon that we call a uh, soap, a sweaty soap, is actually an advantage as a homemade soap like this. Okay, so don't be afraid if you have a soap that are sweaty like this, right? It's actually a benefit. Okay, it doesn't harm you at all or anything like that. Yeah, it's a benefit of homemade soap. Okay, so the way you prevent this is actually you have to wrap it up. Okay, uh, if you leave outdoor like this, okay, the moisture in the air, it will attract the moisture in the air. But if you dry indoor and you have a humidifier, okay, so a humidifier, okay, a fan going on like that, okay, and it will attract the water, okay, to that machine, not to the soap. But it's nothing to be afraid of, okay. It doesn't look, just doesn't feel good, okay. It feels like this soap has been used, but there's nothing to be afraid of, okay.